Do you know you can also make the thick and foamy soap using just 3 ingredients? Yes, it is possible. This soap can be used as souvenirs. You can resell it and make profits because it is not expensive to make. It can also be used to wash clothes. Please stay tuned to the end of this video to learn more. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we learn how to take care of our skin, DIY and so on. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make liquid soap using 3 ingredients. The first ingredient being SLES, also known as SLS rice. SLS is a surfactant that creates lathers and cleans oil, dirt and grease from surfaces. The next is Texapon. Texapon is a milder surfactant which is less irritating. It increases soap foaming and cleansing properties. The next is salt. Salt is a thickening agent used in liquid soaps. Now let us dive into the process of making this liquid soap. I'll be making a 5-liter soap and I've written out the grams. So if you want to make a 20 liters, just times it by 4. It is on the screen. The first thing first is measuring out 4.5 liters of that water that you want to use. The other one will come in handy at the end of the video. The next thing I do is dissolving my SLS rice in water. The water I set aside that other time, I take a little and add it there. Then I stir it and set aside to dissolve completely. After doing that, I measure out my salt, 250 grams of salt, and I pour it into this water, the 4.5 liters that I've measured. After pouring it into the water, I stir and make sure it is dissolved properly. As you can see, it is dissolved properly. Then the next thing I take is I take my SLS rice that I've dissolved in water before I poured in my salt. It is dissolved properly here. Then I add it into the water, the salt water that has been dissolved. Then I stir it. As you can see here, the consistency, it is now getting thick. After doing this, then I add in my Texapon, which is SLES. I measure it out also, and I also pour in my Texapon, 250 grams. I've measured it out. Then I pour it inside. Then I stir and just set it aside. I got my chemical at the local store. I got the salt from my mom's kitchen actually. I bought the SLS rice for $7.50 and I bought the Texapon for around $800 ish. That kind of. This is the liquid soap after 2 hours, and this is the liquid soap completely dissolved. It is very clear. Once you see it is very clear like this, you know it is dissolved. And for those that are not okay with the consistency, that feel like it is too thick, yes, you can add a little bit of water. The water you set aside at the beginning of the video, you just add it to it. And at this point, this is how you make your liquid soap. This point you can add in your color, your fragrance, yes, just to make it not smell bland and smell so nice. Yes, this is when you add it. Then you stir it well and make sure it is well incorporated. If you are watching up to this step and you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I really love that. Please subscribe to the channel and we'll be able to do more videos next. And this is how to make your liquid soap. And if you want us to make anything, you can do well to drop it in the comment section. I will be reading the comment section and I'll be making it, since we are all doing DIYs. We learn every day. So this is me after making the whole liquid soap. Yes, and I did a lather test at the end of the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.